A unique Vivi feature is Play Video, which allows direct video play to the display. Teachers can play video content while having the ability to multitask and undertake other activities on their device. Play Video only works with unprotected content, which is typically found on YouTube and Vimeo, versus a subscription service. The benefit of playing unprotected content through Play Video is that Vivi will remove all outside ad content, pop-ups, and suggested content before the video is cast to the display. For our purpose today, we will be using YouTube. To use this feature, locate and select the video from YouTube you wish to play. Copy the browser link for the video. Open the Vivi app and select Play Video. Paste the link for the video in the blue bar for Paste Video Link here. To add an additional link, select Add to Queue. Repeat the previous steps by pasting the desired YouTube links within the Play Video app. Once the queue has been created, select Play Video for a single video or Play Queue for multiple videos. A toolbar will display at the bottom, allowing for control of the content. Let's review this toolbar. Privacy. Toggle on to prevent screenshots while streaming. Closed captioning. If closed captions are enabled on the original content selected, selecting this option will display closed captions on the display. Stop. This will stop all streaming or sharing and reset the queue to the beginning. Pause. Will allow you to pause the video content and resume when ready. Rewind and forward. Allows you to return to the previous video or forward to the next. Audio. Controls the volume from the Vivi device. The slider can be dragged forward or backwards to jump to a specific point in the video. Teachers have the ability to save any cues created by selecting Save Playlist. To save, name the playlist and select Create Playlist. Saved playlists will be listed on the right-hand side under Playlists. You can save as many as you wish. To remove a playlist, select the trash can icon next to the playlist name and confirm the deletion. If you do not wish to save a playlist, when you return to the home screen, your queue will be cleared.